These traditional cinnamon scrolls are packed with delicious sweet cinnamon filling. To start, add the yeast and 1 teaspoon of the sugar to warm milk and stir until well combined. Set it aside for 5 minutes or until the mixture is frothy. Then add the egg, melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of water to the milk mixture. Whisk to combine. Next, combine flour, salt, and the remaining sugar in a large bowl and make a well in the centre. Pour in the milk mixture and use a round-bladed knife to stir until a soft, sticky dough forms. Use your hand to bring the dough together and then turn onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 10 minutes or until smooth and elastic. The dough will bounce back when pressed. This is a sign it's ready to rest and grow. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl and cover it loosely with a clean, damp tea towel. Set aside in a warm, draft-free place for 1 hour or until the dough doubles in size. While the dough is resting and rising, make the cinnamon filling by combining the sugar, cinnamon, and butter in a small bowl until a smooth paste forms. Now the dough has doubled in size, turn it onto a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth. This won't take long. Using a pin, roll out the dough to a 30cm by 40cm rectangle. Then spread the cinnamon filling evenly over the dough, leaving a border at one long end. Starting from the other long end, roll up the dough to enclose the filling. Cut the roll evenly into 9 scrolls and arrange, cut side up, in a 22cm greased and lined pan. Cover loosely with a clean, damp tea towel and set aside for 20 to 30 minutes or until the dough rises to the top of the pan. Pop the scrolls into a 200°C preheated oven for 10 minutes, then reduce the oven temp to 180°C. Bake for a further 20 to 25 minutes or until the scrolls are golden brown and sound hollow when tapped on the top. Set aside in the pan to cool. Next, make the buttercream by beating the butter in a bowl with an electric mixer until the butter is very pale. Add in the icing sugar and beat until well combined. Add a little milk and beat to combine. The frosting should be spreadable. Remove the cooled scrolls from the pan and spread with some of the butter frosting to serve. Then sprinkle with a little extra cinnamon and enjoy. These delicious cinnamon scrolls are perfect for morning tea with friends or a weekend treat for the family.